Namaskar and good evening. Today we'll discuss about a very progressive company by name Future Retail Limited. As a matter of disclosure, Future Retail has been in my portfolio for the last maybe 2 years or something like that. Future Retail is headed by Kishore Biyani. It has got wonderful brand names of shops owned by Future Retail like Big Bazaar. It's biggest or star performer. And there are others like Easy Day, FBB, Heritage Fresh. We'll discuss all of them. Now let us take a performance snapshot of Future Retail in FY19. Future Retail opened around 9 stores every week in FY19. 31,000 square foot have been added every week in FY19. 2 new cities have been entered every week again. So it is impressive. Greater than 22,000 EDSC members enrolled per week. Greater than 10,000 BBPC members enrolled per week. So what this membership means doesn't matter much, but they have been enrolling members, permanent members into their stores. Greater than 1,10,000 new Future Pay users per week. Future Pay is a scheme introduced by Future Retail for attracting customers on a long-term basis. Now let us take a look at the brand names and how at the end of FY19 what is their status. Big Bazaar, the star performer for Future Retail, has 292 stores in 144 cities with a 12.5 million SFT. FBB is another brand name. FBB is another brand name. 94 stores are there in 46 cities with 1 million SFT. Food Hall, another brand name. 12 stores are there in 5 cities with 0.1 million SFT. Then there are 3 brands: Easy Day, Heritage Fresh, WH Smith. They are small stores, but their number is 1,106 stores in 338 cities with 2.5 million SFT. Ozone is another brand name. 7 stores are there in 4 cities with 0.1 million SFT. Cumulative, if you take the total, 1,511 stores are there in 428 cities with 16.1 million SFT. So, Future Retail has been growing at a very fast rate. Every year it has been acquiring a brand. Almost it looks like that. Now if you look at the scale of Future Retail, so totally 1,511 stores with 16.1 million SFT, and the revenues are US dollars 3.1 billion by FY19. Now if you look at the efficiency, 26.7% is the gross margin, 5.2% is the EBITDA, 6.8% overall and 10.9% for Big Bazaar. Now, what are the footfalls? Greater than 350 million customer footfalls were there. 428 cities, 29 states, almost every state was covered. So it has been expanding its footprint like anything. Value creation, if you look at that, 18% is the revenue growth, 75% is the growth in operational profit, 99% growth in the net earnings. Now, if you look at large format growth overview, same store sales growth was 13.6% in Q4, gross margin CAGR is 14%, EBITDA growth CAGR is 31%. But between large format and small format, the revenue share is 85% to 15%. Large format is 85%, small format is 15%. Easy Day Savings Club, the total membership is greater than 1.1 million. Average 1,300 plus members per each store, and each of them visit 4 times a month. Annual spend per member is 30,000 in about 860 stores. Now, from 30,000, Future Retail expects the revenue per annual spend per member to grow to 38,000 in by FY21. Now, Future Pay is a scheme. They are giving a card, something like that, and they are attracting people with some discounts, etc. The number there is 10.9 million by March 19. There is another thing called Big Bazaar Profit Club, where the number of members is more than 5 lakh, and they spend 40,000 average per user annually. And they want the annual spend to grow to 1 lakh from the current rate. Now let us go to the actual financials update. Income has grown from 18,478 crores. Repeat, 18,478 crores in FY18. But in FY19 it is 20,165 crores. A growth of 14%. I repeat, 18,478 crores in FY18 to 20,165 crores in FY19, a growth of 14%. Reasonably impressive. Profit after tax has grown from 615 crores to 733 crores. That is 19% growth. Profit after tax has grown by 19%. Income has grown by 14%. Profit after tax margin has grown from 3.3% to 3.6%, 3.3 to 3.6. EBITDA has grown from 844 crores to 1,057 crores, that is 25% growth. This is annual. Now let us look at the quarterly performance. The income in Q4 of last year was 4,575 crores. Now it is 5,397 crores in Q4 FY19. So last year Q4 4,575 crores, current year Q4 5,397 crores. Now the profit after tax is 140 crores last year and 203 crores current year Q4. The growth is 45%. The margin growth is 3.1% to 3.8%. Profit after tax growth is 45%, very impressive. EBITDA has grown by 45%. Now, the same store's sales growth, SSSG, it's a parameter for assessing the growth of the retail companies. There you find Future Retail overall has grown from 6% to 11.2%, quite impressive. Big Bazaar has grown from 11% to 13.6%. The return on capital employed is 19%. Return on equity is 21%. Now, Future Retail says, we will rewrite rules, but we will retain values. Our customers will not get just what they need, but we will get them what they need, where they need, how they need, and when they need any product, any service. We will not just post satisfactory result, we will write success stories. So this is important for investors like you and me. We will not just post satisfactory results, we will write success stories. We will not just operate efficiently, but we will evolve the Indian economy as such. We will not just spot trends, but we will set trends. Like that. So, Future Retail has been acquiring so many things like Food World in 2018, WH Smith, like that, so many. It has launched SBI co-branded credit card. So many things it has been doing. Now, Premji Invest has invested 6% in 2018. It has partnered with Patanjali Ayurved. So many things are there. Now, we'll take a broad look at the results of Q4 with reference to the previous quarters. The latest quarter net sales is 5,397 crores. 5,397 crores. It has been growing consistently over the last 5 quarters. Previous quarter was 5,301 crores. Its previous quarter was 4,928 crores. Its previous quarter was 4,538 crores. Like that. So the year-on-year growth for the latest quarter is 17.97%. The net profit also has grown. 203 crores is the latest net profit. Earlier 201, earlier 175, earlier 153, and so on. So, but of course, it is not comparable with the Q4 of last year, because Q4 of last year was marred by a exceptional item. We need not compare with that. With the comparison with that will yield very positive framework. But actually, Q4 of last year was marred by a exceptional item. We need not compare with that. But if you leave that, the other 4 quarters also look very impressive. The basic EPS today is 4.04. That also has been growing every quarter. See, the basic point is sales are growing every quarter, and net profit is growing every quarter. Basic EPS has been growing every quarter. Market price currently is 458, but 1 year ago it was 593, something like that. Will it grow to that level again? Why not? In a good market, it can cross 593 easily. And I do hope the next coming results will be more impressive than the current results. So, Future Retail is one of the stars in the retail business. Apart from DMart, it is almost comparable to DMart, though DMart is more profitable right now. So, take a pick. If you are a long-term investor, Future Retail is perhaps a good bet. I have my holding there to some extent. I might increase it also if the prices are stable. They are likely to go up. See, in 2 years' time, if at the later 14%, etc., it can easily double. So, that's what I expect. So, thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another very good company. Thank you.